In today's video, I'll show you how to add a wish list to your Shopify store in 2025, quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the sidebar, scroll down and click Settings. Inside Settings, go to Apps and Sales Channels. Now, click the link to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Wishlist and hit Enter. You'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we'll use Swim Wishlist Plus, a popular app with great functionality. Click the app, then hit Install. Shopify will ask you to confirm. Just click Install again to finalize. Once installed, head back to your admin, where you'll now see the app in your apps list. Open the app and click Proceed with Setup. You'll be guided through a few simple steps. Just click Next Step until you reach the Finish Setup button. If prompted to choose a plan, select the free plan for this demo and hit Get Started. Once setup is complete, make sure the wishlist feature is enabled. Usually there's a toggle switch, but turn it on and don't forget to click Save. Finally, preview your store by clicking View Store from the admin. Open a product page, and you should now see an Add to Wishlist button. That confirms the feature is active and ready for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully added a wishlist to your Shopify store, giving shoppers a way to save their favorite products and improving their shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!